be scrapping kindergarten pictures. So it's M number two's first year, he's in his kindergarten year this year. And this was actually, I believe, his first day of school. It was. So his teacher's awesome. She sends home pictures from their classroom or things that they're doing to parents. Like she'll, put them up on a site or something. I don't know exactly where she's doing that. But M number one also had this kindergarten teacher, and she's amazing. I've never met her, and I love her. So anyway, so what I'm doing is I'm putting these photos on that plaid paper, which is the Echo Park I Love School Star Student paper, and pretty much everything from this layout, and I'll let you know where it's not, is from the Echo Park I Love School collection. So that's the Star Student paper. And then I just kind of did a little collage of the three. I do have that chipboard Welcome Back to School piece, and I was just making sure that I could get that on the layout here. There's a lot of like background that's not important. M number two is the little guy in the gray face with his back facing us, but I just thought it was cute because you see the atmosphere of what the inside of the classroom looks like, which may not be as important now, but someday he'll, as he gets older, I think it'll be neat for him to look at that. Plus, they flat out just love looking at, layouts of themselves. So then I grabbed some stickers here. One is the blue pencil case sticker. That's from the Element sticker book from I Love School. And then the orange pencil case is from the large sticker book. So that's the hashtag sticker book size. And I just put those down and added them to underneath the Welcome Back to School chipboard because that gives it a little bit of layering. And then at the top, I forgot to mention that I added that little flag that says first day because it is his first day of kindergarten. And if I had looked at that, I would have remembered that I did that. So it's been a little bit, a couple of weeks since I actually scrapped these before I'm doing this voiceover. So sometimes some of those details leave your head. Then I have this Ellie Studio puffy sticker sheet, and it's just they're the so awesome puffy stickers, and I grabbed that yellow pencil just because very pencil themed. I really want to use up some of these pieces. Did think about using another sticker there, but decided against it. All right, and then I don't think I told you that black paper in the background is the pencils paper, and that's why I wanted like a dark background so that I could really highlight the photos with that plaid paper. And then because the background's dark and then there's this white plaid paper collage of photos here, it really draws your eye into the center of the layout to the photos. So love how that worked out. And I did actually plan it. Sometimes those things just happen, but in this case, it was actually an intentional thing. So now I believe I'm going in search of an alphabet, and I want something green, but I don't have like the right color green stickers because I'm going to call it Kelly Green. That stripe in the back is Kelly Green. So it's just a really nice kind of not too yellow, not too blue green, just a good right in the middle one. So looking at that alpha, so there's a mint alpha there. Don't like that. That's an alpha from Ellie Studio, but I don't have enough letters in that to really make much of a word. I have a few left to make a couple of words, but not many. This is one of those times when I should be making up words and putting them on the sheet and then, leaving it out so I can use it up. I might have to think about doing that. I have quite a few LE Studio sheets that are like that. So then I remember, wait, I think I have some green in my Bella Boulevard chipboard alphas, which are sadly neglected alphas. But here we go. This is the Bella Boulevard Chow Chip Amori alpha, and that's Amori Guacamole, which is awesome. And that is pretty darn close to the green stripe in the paper. So I am not going to torture you with actually taking the time to glue these chipboard alphas down, but with Bella Boulevard especially, I make sure I glue them down. I do it with all my chipboard alphas, but especially Bella Boulevard, because the glue, I have learned the hard way, does eventually dry up and fall off. So I went through and reorganized albums. This is probably 10 years ago now, or maybe not quite 10 years ago. But I found a lot of Bella Boulevard chipboard in the bottom of my page protectors. Not so much with other companies, but the Bella Boulevard was really bad. So I'm double checking my spelling for kindergarten, because we call it kindergarten. It's really kindergarten, or like a T, because it's German. And I know that because my hometown actually is the place where the first kindergarten in the United States was, what do I want to say? The first kindergarten in the United States is, and they still have the building, and it's kind of a cool story. It's German immigrants started it, so kind of cool. Anyway, I decided I wanted to add some enamel dots in, and a lot of times I stick with the same color, but this time I'm going to do 3 different colors. That is the enamel dots from the I Love School collection. So green and orange and a yellow there. Orange because I've got that orange pencil case on there. And I really love how this turned out. I am going to stick a little, here we go, I did do this. This is piece of papers from Mambi. It's part of a 3x4 card. And I'm going to stick that up there so that I can just get who it is, that it's the first day of kindergarten, and what the date is. I wasn't there. There's not a lot for me to say, but that needs to be on the layout. So guys, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout.